Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wondershare Repairit, an all-in-one data repair tool designed to repair corrupted video, audio, and regular files. We're back with another video, and today we're talking about one of the most common issues faced while recording and reviewing our videos, a flickering image. So we'll discuss what causes this to happen and how to troubleshoot and fix the issue. If you've experienced a flickering video before, then you'll know just how frustrating it can be, especially if you've gone through all the hassle to set up a shoot only for your footage to be unusable. But luckily for us, there are some easy ways to troubleshoot and fix this flickering error, and we'll run through those in this video. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we share a new video. Now, before we go any further, let's first talk about what video flickering actually is and why it occurs. Basically, video flickering mainly happens when you're shooting in an artificially lit environment and the camera picks up the change in lighting long enough to cause that flickering effect. A good example of flickering is when you're watching footage of an old CRT TV on a digital screen because the refresh rates of the two technologies don't quite match up. If you're shooting in direct sunlight, the chances of your video flickering are much less, but with artificial lighting, the variance in light can cause the footage to flicker and look pretty weird. Now, it's important to understand that artificial light isn't the only reason behind video flickers. Several other factors can also trigger these flickers while recording a video, so let's run through a few of those now. Firstly, there could be a difference between your camera's shutter speed and your frame rate. If you're just getting started with videography, you might not know the relation between shutter speed and frame rate, but the general rule of thumb says that your shutter speed should always be double your frame rate. So if you're using a frame rate of 24 frames per second, it's important to set your shutter speed to around 1/50 to create a proper light balance in your video. Secondly, if you're seeing the video flicker on a computer screen or TV screen after recording, it's quite possible that that video file is corrupt. This is a surprisingly common error, especially when it comes to long recordings. And finally, slow motion videos require extra light because they're recorded in a much higher frame rate. And remember what we said earlier about setting our shutter speed to double our frame rate. So if you're filming slow motion videos in a dark environment, you can quite often run into these issues. And that's why it's always advised to shoot slow motion videos in well-lit areas. Now that you know what causes the video flickering issue, let's talk about a few methods that will help you with your video flicker troubleshooting. Let's start with the basics. As we mentioned earlier, maintaining a balance between your frame rate and your shutter speed is really important to maintain a natural environment in your video. So just make sure you adjust your shutter speed to double your frame rate, even when shooting in slow motion. Sometimes the issue isn't with the camera itself, but with the device you're watching the video on. So if you haven't updated your system's graphic drivers in a while, that could easily be what's causing the video flicker on your computer screen during playback. To update the graphics drivers, simply press the Windows key and X on your keyboard and select Device Manager. You'll be prompted to the Device Manager window. Now expand the display driver option and right-click on your primary display drivers. Then follow the on-screen instructions to update those selected drivers. Once the graphic drivers get updated, simply restart your PC and check if the video flicker issue is resolved. The next way to fix the flickering issue is to disable hardware acceleration. It's an exclusive Windows feature that's designed to streamline your hardware usage. However, it can sometimes affect your PC's performance and restrict smooth video playback. So if the previous methods didn't work for you, here's how to disable hardware acceleration. Firstly, navigate to Settings. Choose Display, scroll down and select Graphics. Click on Change Default Graphics Settings and turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. If you're encountering the video flicker on a TV screen, there's a huge possibility that the video cable you're using might be loose or broken, so quickly check the cable for any loose connections, and if you see any physical damage, it might be time to replace it. As mentioned earlier in the video, corrupted video files are also a common reason why you might see unexpected flickering during video playback. If that's the case, we recommend using a professional video repair tool such as Wondershare Repairit. This tool is specifically tailored to repair corrupted pictures, videos and files. Even if you don't know what triggered the file corruption, you can still use Repairit to instantly repair the corrupted video. Here's a few features that make Repairit the perfect video repair tool. It can repair corrupted video files in just 3 easy steps. It can repair a variety of files, including videos, pictures, documents, and even audio. It has an advanced file repair mode to troubleshoot severely damaged files. And it has an intuitive user interface, making it easy to use. Let's go through the step-by-step procedure to repair corrupted video files using Repairit. Start by installing and launching Repairit on your computer and select the Video Repair tab from the left-hand panel. Click the Add button and select the video file you want to repair. Once you've added the videos, click on the Repair button at the bottom right-hand corner. Repairit will now start repairing these selected files. Once the process completes, you'll see a success prompt. At this point, click on the Save All button at the bottom right-hand corner and select the destination where you want to save the files. So that wraps up our video on how to troubleshoot and solve flickering videos and get clean footage from your camera. I hope this helped you fix any troubles you were facing, but comment down below if you're still having any trouble and we'll get back to you with a solution as soon as possible. In the meantime, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.